The beautiful, beautiful river just flows, doesn't know exactly where it's going. It just goes with the tide, the ebbs and the flows. It's a beautiful metaphor for life. When we can tune into the elements, to the earth, to the air, to the water, to the fire, listen to the beautiful messages that they have for us. They speak in a language that's beyond words, a symbolic language. And when you can learn, like this wind blowing right now, to listen, true magic happens. Hope you're having a blessed day, whatever it is you're choosing to do. Sending you love.